dears, welcome to today's session. My dears, these days we are moving with MS Excel software, right? Yeah, we have studied so many options, and today we are going to have a look on conditional formatting. Do you know what is the use of conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is used to format selected cells or cells that meet a specific condition based on values or formulas that you specify. It helps us to highlight a unique cell or a range of cell which emphasizes which can be emphasized using data bars, color scales and icon sets. So my dears, I will show each of these in the screen. Come on, let's have a look on that.
First, let's have a look on highlighting cells rule. Conditional formatting helps us to highlight unique cell or a range of cells using highlight cell rules, top or bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets, etc. Highlighting cells rule. Let's understand this using an example. Suppose you have a bill that contains name, price and total amount of certain products. Following steps will explain how to find the products having total amount greater than 75,000. First, select the column total from the bill. Select the option Highlight Cells rule from the drop-down list of conditional formatting on Styles group. Click on Greater Than option from the list of Highlight Cell rule. Type the value 75,000 in the field of Format Cells that are greater than. Select any option from the list box of width light red fill, yellow red fill, etc. and click on OK button. The selected format will be applied to the cells that meets the condition specified as shown in the screen. Now let's have a look on top or bottom rules. You can format highest or lowest values in a range of cells based on a cutoff value that you specify using the top or bottom rules. For example, you can find top 3 out of 7 products shown in the bill. To find top 3 products in terms of price from the table, follow the given step. Select the range of table, click on the drop down list of conditional formatting and point to top or bottom rows. Select top 10 items option from the list. Type 3 on a small box on top 10 items and select green fill with dark green text from the combo box. After selecting that, click on OK button. Now you can see the format light green shade with dark green text applied on the price of 3 products as shown in the screen. That's how we apply top or bottom rules. Next, let's study about data bars. Now let's study about data bars. Data bars helps you to see the value on a cell related to other cell. The length of the bar represents the value in the cell. To get the option data bar, follow the given steps. First, enter 1 to 10 in a column. Select the column. After that, click on Conditional Formatting button and point to data bars. You can see numerous data bars there. Select a relevant data bar from the list. As I am selecting, you can see different colors appearing on the list. I have selected red here. See, you can see the data bar is increasing from 1 to 10 numbers. Color scales. Color scales are visual guides that helps you to understand data distribution and variation. The shade of color represents higher and lower values. Here, select the range of cells. Click on Conditional Formatting button. Select a color pattern from Color Scales option as shown on the screen. Now, the selected cells colors will be changed according to the value increased or decreased. Now, let's study about icon sets. Icon sets. Icon set is used to annotate and classify data into 3 to 5 categories separated by values. Each icon set represents a range of values. Here, select these two range of cells. After that, point to the conditional formatting tool on styles group. Select an icon set from the subsequent list as shown in the screen. A variety of list is shown here. Select any one list. Now you can see a range of cells with variety of icon sets.
So my dears, is it clear? Yes, so we have studied conditional formatting today. So we will meet with a new topic in our next class. Till then my dears, bye-bye.